Hi everyone, my name is Christy and today I have such a fun video because I am going to be doing a FabFitFun, the Editor's Box Winter unboxing, and I'm also going to be revealing some Spring FabFitFun box spoilers. So what I'm planning to do is do the unboxing of the Winter Editor's Box first, and then after that I'll reveal some of the spring spoilers, which are so good. If you want to see just those spring spoilers, I'll put in the description box down below the timestamp if you just want to jump ahead to that. And I get to know these spoilers because I'm part of the FabFitFun affiliate program, and therefore I have an affiliate link in my description box down below if you want to sign up through my link. I also have a $10 off coupon in my description box down below that you can use when you sign up for FabFitFun. So I am so excited to now be a subscriber of the FabFitFun boxes, and so far I love it. If you want to see my starter box unboxing, I will link that video down below. But this box that I'm about to open right here is my first full-size FabFitFun box, so I am so excited. I got this in the mail today and I could not wait to open it up, so let's get to it. And so the monthly subscription for FabFitFun is $49.99, but I got this box for $39.99 because I used that $10 off coupon code. So let's hope I got my money's worth. And because I signed up in the middle of a season, I got the editor's box, which therefore I didn't get to choose between which items I really wanted as much as you get to do with the regular season boxes. And I also wasn't really able to add any add-ons to it. But I've seen some of the add-on options for the spring box and I am so excited. Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream is just one of many that I'm going to be adding to my spring box, but we'll talk about the spring box after I open this. It's like heavy to lift up into the camera view, but so, oh cute. You get these like magazine things that have ways to boost your workout. They have different information about trends, so these are pretty entertaining. And now a note from us, and then it gives you information on what's in the box and what the retail value is. So I'll go through that as I go through this box here. And of course, these come in the cutest boxes and it's presented so nicely. All right, so cute. Let's just start with this box right here. So this says Pier 1, 3 mini ceramic prep bowls. Cute. Let's see what these look like. I see pink, my favorite color. Oh my gosh. Wow. How cute are these? Like, such a great serving size. And you get a pink one, a blue one, and a green one. Oh, so perfect for little snacks, little ice cream. All right, so those bowls on my card here, it says Pier 1 mini ceramic prep bowls retail at $24.95. Ooh, and it comes with a 10% off code at Pier 1. All right, what's next? Oh, I think I know what this is. This is the Spongelli Beach Grass Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. Yes, these smell so good. So these are sponges that come with body wash already in them. And I have a couple of these that I got from FabFitFun already. And as soon as I got it on Christmas, I put this into my shower. Now it's February 5th and I still have that same one in my shower because it still has body wash in it. So I'm very impressed by how long these last, and they smell so good. They're so exfoliating and nice on the body, so I love that I have a stash of these for when I finally run out of the one in my bathroom. And those sponges retail for $16. Next, oh, Glam Glow. These are the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Masks, and this was something I actually chose for my box. You have the option of choosing 2 of the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Masks, or you could get Way of Will Uplift Essential Oil Set, which the essential oil set retails for $30. These 2 Glam Glow masks are $18, but I had never tried anything from Glam Glow, so I really wanted to try these out, and I love doing masks, and I already have essential oils, which is why I chose the masks in this case. Next, I feel like there's so much in here. All right, I'm gonna go for this big one here. What have we got here? So this is the Mark & Graham Color Block Throw, and this retails for $49. Let's see, I want to see that color block aspect. This is supposed to be color blocked, but to me it just looks like this solid color. Still cute, it's got some fringe. All right, what's next? Let's see. So this here, what is this? Oh, okay, so this is the Rene Futerer, that's definitely not how it's pronounced, Carite Hydra Hydrating Shine Mask. Infused with nourishing shea oil, this deep conditioning mask gives your hair optimal hydration for silky smooth locks. I really needed a new hair mask, so this is awesome. This retails for $36. Oh, I'm excited to try this out. And then next, ooh, Thrive Cosmetics. Oh my gosh, I love this brand. This is the Brilliant Eye Brightener. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. This retails for $24, and it's like a highlighting pen. I'm gonna have to try this out in a future makeup video. We have the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. This is the Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. Wow, this retails for $75. I've heard great things about the Kate Somerville skincare line, and I've never gotten to try anything before, so I am so excited about this. And I love to exfoliate my skin. I do it very often because I do have dry skin, so this is definitely going to be my new exfoliator that I use. There's still more left. Oh, the Black Eye Mask. I actually have these from a previous box. So these are the Hydrogel Eye Mask with hyaluronic acid, and these retail for $29. I was just thinking today about how dry my under eyes are and how I really need to treat them, so I'm so glad that I have more of these. And lastly, so I got to choose either this scarf or a handbag, and I have so many handbags and not enough scarves, so I chose this scarf here, and this is from the brand Donnie. It's their tri-colored scarf. Wow, this retails for $99, and it feels so nice. And then it has a 30% off code on it too. Awesome. That's cool that you get some bonus coupon codes with some of these products as well. Let's check out this scarf. This is like so much bigger and softer than I expected. So cute. This is going to be so cozy. Oh, yay, I'm so excited to wear this. Wow, that feels like so much stuff, and I'm so excited about everything. It's all stuff that I just am gonna feel so like luxurious and like I'm treating myself, really taking care of myself and getting beautiful with all of these amazing self-care products that I'm so excited about. I definitely feel like this was worth my $39.99 or the $49.99 that it would normally cost, because according to this chart here, this is well over $300 worth of products. And I truly believe that, because there are some amazing brands in here that I'm familiar with, but also brands that I'm not familiar with yet that I'm very excited to try out. And then fashion pieces that I would definitely pay good money for because they are really nice quality. So all in all, so happy about this box, and I am so excited for my spring box, even more so now after seeing how great this winter editor's box is. But so now let's get into those spring spoilers. So I'm going to insert pictures of the products after I call them out. But so one of the spoilers is that you get to choose between Quay, not sure if that's how they're pronounced, sunglasses. You can choose between two different styles. Or you can choose the Sunny Life picnic set. Oh, that makes me want to go to the beach. Or you can choose the Chorus sleep mask. So you'll choose one of those. I personally really like the sunglasses. I really like all of these products, but I need some sunglasses and those ones are really cute. And then the other option that I can tell you about is that you get to choose between the Show Me Your Muumuu Brie robe or you can choose the Luxe Demi backpack. I don't know why they make these so hard to pronounce. Or you can choose the Unplug Meditation Aromatherapy Diffuser. So one of those three products, which I really want that floral bathrobe, so cute. But I mean, all of these just are such great products, and it's a hard decision which one to choose, but those are just two of the products that you would be able to get in your spring FabFitFun bag. And I know that I am so excited about that I just can't wait to get my spring box. And if you want to get a box, make sure you sign up, use my link down below, and be sure to use a coupon code so that you can get some of these amazing products too. And how it works, when you choose the product, that is what you get. It's not just like giving a preference and maybe you'll get it. If you choose it, then you definitely get that in your box, which is great that you get that customization option. So I really love that about FabFitFun. It's different than any other subscription service that I've done so far. I'd always heard such great things about FabFitFun, and I'm so glad I finally joined. I feel like I have so many amazing products to go use now that I cannot wait to take my next shower, to relax. So I highly recommend that you get a FabFitFun box and you treat yourself and you relax, because you definitely deserve it. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because I upload a new video of me trying a new makeup product every day at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and therefore I will see you tomorrow in my next video.